This is Mark Bell from supertraining.tv, Super Training Gym, the strongest gym in the West. Got a bunch of questions to get to here tonight. And the first one is, guy asks if I can put out some information about joint pain. First thing you want to do is clean up your diet. Inflammation in your body, inflammation in your stomach, trouble digesting foods, and just overall having a weak diet can lead to a lot of problems and can cause inflammation. So you're going to want to look into getting some fish oil and taking large doses of it. Finding a good quality fish oil can sometimes be challenging. I use a company called Barlean's. They can be found in any hippie store. You can go to a Whole Foods and find some of that. I take a fish oil that's actually a liquid form. It's pina colada flavored. As gross as that sounds, it actually tastes pretty good. Kind of tastes like a yogurt. I also take cod liver oil, which is a fast, kind of a quick, easy way to get this proper stuff from fish oil, the EPA and DHA. But the cod liver oil tends to be very dense in that DHA, and it's very dense, but it also kind of tastes like crap, so you're gonna have to be dealing with that. But anyway, cleaning up your diet is going to be the first thing. That's going to be the first approach. And if you don't clean up your diet, it shows me that you're not very serious about it. I think it's kind of amusing that people say, "Oh, you know, I started to eat better. I started to feel better." Yeah, how weird is that? It's so strange, right? You started fueling your body better, and all of a sudden you started to feel better as well. Also, for joint pain, you're going to want to get a compression band from Jump Stretch. You can do a Google search on them and look up compression band. And you're also going to want to check out my friend's website, mobilitywod.com. That's Kelly Starrett's website. He's got a lot of brilliant ideas on how to help and how to fix things up when you have joint pain. You can also look at my magazine called Power Magazine. You can look it up on thepowermagazine.com. You subscribe to it. We always have articles about joint pain in there and how to manage pain, because pain is part of powerlifting, isn't it? Lastly, and most importantly, you got to change your training up. You shouldn't be hurt like this. I've been doing this stuff for over 20 years, and I'm fine. I feel great. You know, I wake up every day, and I'm happy, and I'm excited for the day, and I can get around halfway decent at 280 pounds. So if I'm doing it at this size, you should be able to do it at your size. If I'm doing it lifting the kind of weights that I'm lifting, then you should be doing it very easily with the kind of weights that you're moving around. Got a couple other questions to get to. I'll just hop on those right now. We have a question. Guys got a question about supplements. It's kind of saying, like, what kind of supplements would you recommend in terms of, you know, what would be good for strength and good for powerlifting? If you can tolerate milk, whole milk, that's a good way to get some just to supplement your diet. But milk is kind of nice and convenient. It's got protein, it's got a little bit of carbohydrates and fat. Get whole milk or 2% milk, depending on your goals. And as far as actual supplements, I take a lot of stuff from Muscle Farm, which you see right here. I use their protein, which is called Combat Protein. I also use a similar protein from a company called True Protein. They have a formula called Team Skip, and I get the chocolate coconut flavor to that. It's pretty good. It's a good combination of fast and slow digesting proteins, as well as the Muscle Farm version, the Combat Protein rather, is slow and fast digesting proteins as well. And fish oil is important. As I mentioned earlier, fish oil can be a key ingredient. Coconut oil. I cook a lot of my foods with coconut oil. That's going to give you some saturated fat. Add some MCT oils to your diet through the coconut oil. And that's pretty much it for that question. I don't really take a ton of supplements, multivitamin. I do take a digestive enzyme, and I do take probiotics, which I kind of mix into every shake that I have. Digestive enzymes can be very useful. You're going to help you digest the proteins that you take in, help you absorb them better. And that's it from supertraining.tv.